see, I like that he's waiting. See, now he sees the section. Nice little turn. I'm gonna punt. Ah!
Yeah. So it was incredibly challenging yesterday. And then you get down to the bottom, and I'm setting the anchor, and the ocean floor is like cement. So it kept coming up. I was trying to get it to stick. Okay. My mom's sister is in the back, and I know she's listening, and Stacy. Come on, Al, it's time to get up. We'll see. Hopefully he makes it. And now you're going to hear that little punt too, Al. Media crew, 10 hunt, 1, 2, 3, 4, go.
Yeah, Colton, dude. I was like, I hope he brings that little box.
Yeah, dude, that thing is clutch.
Dude, we need that, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Put it on the basic, easy kind of setting.
Solid.
Yeah,
because we did it last time.
Yeah. Plus the tide's going to come in. Yeah, just hold this. Great to meet you. What's up, dude? Duran.
Yeah, cold.
Clay is in the zone.
Dude, that house is so beautiful.
Hey, you guys. Hey, Josh Lay, director. Welcome to the second stop of the Blastoff Airshow. It's truly an honor to have you guys place in your heart and sign up. We got a wild card, Colton Sullivan, and this is definitely we're pioneering the future of aerial surfing with esports and the moto winch. This is something that is very progressive. It's vertical, and you guys get to be a part of the second stop. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you guys being at this event. It's very grassroots. It's authentic, and I know you guys are gonna just do what you're gonna do. We do have a surprise for the end of the day, and that's all I can say. But we're very grateful for everybody that's involved. I wish you all the best of luck. So let's go. What's your hashtag? What's your Instagram handle?
My name's Duran Barr. My Insta's Duranimal. Stoked to be here. Thanks for having me, Doc.
Yeah.
My name's Chance Ball. Instagram is ChanceG. Stoked to be here as well.
Yeah, Chance.
That's the number _JCNover. Yeah.
Colton Sullivan, and that is my Instagram.
Yeah, Colton.
You know Garadini? Dragon Slayer?
Yeah.
Hagen Johnson and Hagen Johnson.
Yeah, Hagen.
These are the boys. If you want to follow them, check them out on Instagram. Second stop. This is the Lien traditional of the Blastoff Airshow. Oh yeah, one more thing. Josh Slay is not liable for your injury, and Moto Winch is not liable for your injury, and go send it, boys. You guys got to watch each other, because you guys are going to pick the winner. It's usually pretty clear cut
100%.
who did that trick at the end. Like, so you guys are the judges too. Second, third, I'm going to be judging as the airshow marshal. We had a guy that was sick, one of the airshow guys, so and I might bring on one other guy. That's how we're going to do this. Hold on.
Sensations make me feel the pleasures of an old man. These sensations spare the insults, leave them for another day. I've got the spirit, lose the feeling, take the shock away. 10th floor down the back stairs into no man's land. Lights are flashing, cars are crashing, getting frequent now. I've got the spirit, lose the feeling, let it out somehow.
Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds creation. An earthquake's out to a girl's guitar, that's just another good vibration. And tidal waves couldn't save the world from Californication. Hey, I Sergeant Mary, well, to break the spell of aging. Sicker than the rest, there is no test, but this is what you're craving. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softcore. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication. Dream of Californication.
Fins were out, board was out.
Yeah.
First two were a little credit cardy, but I'm happy I did a little air.
That was proper. No, that was proper. Yeah, buddy.
We had an extraordinary crew that 11th hole. So anybody that knows, we're always kind of mystical, magical like that. We had a great group of talent. Everyone was going for it because this is the new esports of aerial surfing. Let's get on to the awards.
Thank you.
Chance, These guys are the crew. This is the future of aerial surfing and esports. These guys went out there and they were throwing down the whole time. It's a very grassroots core event style. That's what we're doing this year, but we're having a lot of fun, and thanks you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, boys.
These are changing mats. Third place, Jake Schoonover.
Yeah, Jake. Cash money. Yeah, Chance.
That was 200. We did it. The winner is Duran Barr.
Yeah.
Duranimal, aka. We had a last second thing that came in from Jeff and Jen with Blackmore Ranch. This tour is not even possible without actual believers in this.
We want to post to the overall winner $1,000 from Blackmore Ranch. These are Blackmore Ranch bucks.
Yeah.
Epic. Thank you so much. You guys are legends. Just want to say thank you to Josh. Thank you to Jeff. Super grateful to get the invite and be a part of something super grassroots.
But I'm proud of everyone.
Yeah, buddy. Legend.
Big thanks to Blackmore Ranch. Moto Winch, it wouldn't be aerial surfing tour without Moto Winch. Most important thing, because I wouldn't be here, is Jesus Christ. So, love you guys.
Blastoff Airshow.
What do you got, buddy? Punt, and up. Come on, Colty. What do you? Oh no! What happened?